Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke and I'm joined here today with Eric and his gorgeous custom 1960 Corvette. So, you know, just take the reins. Just tell us a little bit about this vehicle and kind of what went into it.
Well, it is one of one. It's a rechromed C1 Corvette, a 1960. It's been in the family, and in 2018 we did a complete restoration of the vehicle. The frame was sandblasted, power coated, X-frame. The frame alone is about $30,000. Underneath, it's you can eat off of it. Everything's very clean. New suspensions, power coated from the frame up. The interior's been completely redone. All the stainless steel and chrome has been polished. All the glass and mirrors have been restored. The frame has over 1,800 hours in it. It's family loved for many years. And the vehicle has over 490 horsepower. As you can see from the interior to the exterior and the engine, very well kept. We have lots of goodies that comes with the vehicle from the original magazines where the vehicle appeared in. Also, many extra parts that are provided with the vehicle. The vehicle is just not a hardtop convertible. We also have the soft top convertible, white, and lots of loving has been in it. So we hate to part from it, but it is part of the Mr. Daddio collection, and it's one of one, and a few of the vehicles that we're auctioning off here at Barrett-Jackson.
Now, this interior is absolutely gorgeous. So you mentioned the only kind of modern feature that went into it was AC.
Correct. We did vintage AC. It is a Florida vehicle, and of course you need AC. But when the top is down, and you know, obviously you don't need it all the time, but it does have the white soft top that goes on as well, and the hard top is removable. The interior, as you can see, everything has been redone, but the clocks, the radio, everything is original. It has a 700 R4 automatic transmission, so it drives really nice and handles great with the 490 horsepower on it.
Right on. Well, we are very excited to see, you know, what this thing will go for. I'm sure quite a high price with all the love and care that has been into it. Now, this may be a little bit of a tough question. Could you pick one thing about this car that would absolutely be your favorite?
Everything. You know, it has a lot of sentimental values to it, so everything. The whole vehicle is a masterpiece. It's for anybody who's a collector or a daily driver. The vehicle's great. It only has 69 miles on it. When we finished the restoration in 2018, it had 15 for many years, but now it's at Barrett. Everybody wants to drive it and give it a test drive, so it's at 69 miles. So it's the vehicle has not even been broken into. The motor, as you can see, is very clean. It's an LT1, and you know, if I had to pick one negative thing, letting it go.
Letting it go.
But it's a great vehicle, and we'll hate to miss it, leave the family, but it's going to go to a new family, and I'm sure they're going to enjoy it and love it just as much as we did.
Exactly. Well, Eric, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below your thoughts. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website at AutoHunter.com, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.